Girls, wanted to put together a little video of cooking some really good chicken wings on the Big Green Egg. Very simple, just got a bunch of wingettes at the grocery store, patted them all dry, and then sprinkled the Suckle Busters Clucka dust all over it. You can see right here. And then to give it a little bit more zip, I put on some kicked up chicken seasoning, which is a lot of crushed red peppers. So sprinkled that in, moved it around, did that about 3 times, and let it marinate in the fridge for about 2 hours. And I got the Big Green Egg cranked up right now, and we're gonna put them on here in a minute. All right, we got the egg cranked up. We're gonna be cooking at about 350, and I'm gonna show you a new product that I just found out about. These guys are amazing. I'm not gonna be using them for this cook, but figured I'd at least share it with you. A lot of times when you have gloves, you've got a big pork butt or a brisket, and it's really messy whenever you have gloves. These guys, Magna Chef, found these on Kickstarter. They have this amazing magnetic clip here. So you're cooking, you've got all these nasty, greasy hands. You simply just click these together and slide them right off. It's really, really cool. Awesome product. Like I said, not using them today, but go buy some. All right, we got this sucker up to about 350 degrees. I'm just gonna put in some apple chips. I've soaked them in water a little bit so that they'll last a little bit longer once they're in the egg. So we'll get these sprinkled in. We are gonna be using our plate setter. So we're gonna put some water on the plate setter and then we'll get these. All right, people, we're just placing these wings on this new cooking grid. I'm super excited about it because this has 3 levels. So now I have way more surface area on the Big Green Egg. Just putting a little bit more Clucka dust on there. You see how this works? This guy simply just slides on, and we're gonna attach this through if I can figure out how to do that. So here we go. Lock that in place. And all that smoke. All right, see all that smoke? That's coming from the cherry wood. That's gonna give us some really amazing flavor. So, look at that surface area I just gained. I wouldn't have been able to do this. I'm really excited about this. And in fact, I've got a little appetizer. I've got really nice slices of green bone. So, we'll take that. All right, these are some poppers, and what we've got in there is a little bit of cream cheese and Axis meat. So I harvested an Axis last year. It's really, really delicious lean meat, wrapped in bacon, and then we've cut up some onions as well. So we're gonna place those on the very, very top, and we'll be having those as our appetizers for the meal. Uh-oh, losing it. Okay, I've had these wings on here for about 45 minutes. We are cooking right at about 275, good temp. Just flipped them over, so I wanna give you guys a little sneak peek of what they look like. Sunrise in the Florida Keys. Would you look at that? Just a great, great smoke color. Can't wait to put some sauce on these bad boys. Rolling on from town to town. Seen so many places, still don't know where I found. Okay, so we're having several people over, and what we want to do is diversify a little bit of our flavors. So we're going to do 1 garlic parmesan, 1 little Asian zing, got a little bit of zest, a little bit of spice, and then for those that are daring, we're going wing time hot. Super spicy, really great flavor. So what we're going to do is pour a little bit of each one into these mixing bowls. How about it? And then I'm gonna pour a little bit of the wings in each bowl, and then we'll top it off with a little bit more. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna shake them up, make sure they're covered up really, really well, and then we're gonna place it back on the Big Green Egg and get it a little bit syrupy. It's gonna be outstanding. I don't like the way that ended. Okay, we're about to head over to our dinner party. We've got our 3 different spices here. I wanted you guys to see what it turned out looking like. Hit on for about 10 minutes on the actual direct grill, and look at the results. Just absolutely awesome. So that's the garlic parmesan. And then here we've got the atomic hot. Look how good that looks. Oh man. And then the Ejanzine. And boom, look at that. Outstanding. Hope you enjoyed the video, and go cook some chicken wings on your big green egg. See you later.